Welcome to English Echo.
Today I want to tell you about something very simple but really beautiful. It was my first time visiting a flower garden. I had seen pictures of flower gardens on the internet, but seeing one in real life felt very different. It felt peaceful, soft, and almost like stepping into another world. So let me tell you about that day. One morning, I woke up feeling a little tired and stressed. I had too many things on my mind. Work, plans, messages, everything felt heavy. So I decided to go somewhere quiet. A friend had told me about a flower garden not too far from my place. She said, "You should go there. It's relaxing." So I thought, why not? When I reached the entrance of the garden, the first thing I felt was fresh air. The air smelled clean, almost sweet. The garden was surrounded by tall trees, and there was a soft breeze that touched my face. Breeze means a gentle wind. I already felt calmer. When I walked inside, I was surprised. I didn't expect the garden to be so big. There were small paths everywhere. Paths are little walkways where people can walk without stepping on the flowers. The paths were clean and narrow with small stones, and on both sides, flowers of all colors were blooming. The word blooming means the flowers are open and full. And yes, these flowers were blooming perfectly. The first flowers I noticed were sunflowers. They were tall, bright yellow, and standing proudly. They looked like they were smiling at the sun. Sunflowers always make me feel happy because they look warm and positive. Next, I saw rows of roses. Red roses, pink roses, white roses. Each color felt different. Red felt strong, pink felt soft, white felt pure. I leaned closer to smell one. The scent was gentle, not too strong. Scent means the smell of something. Roses have a soft, sweet scent that makes you want to breathe in slowly. As I kept walking, I saw a small pond in the middle. The water was still, and I could see the reflection of flowers on the surface. It looked like a painting. A few butterflies were flying around the water. They were small, colorful, and quiet. Watching butterflies always makes me feel peaceful. Then I walked into the part of the garden filled with lavender. Lavender is a purple flower with a very calming smell. When the wind blew, the scent of lavender moved through the air. I closed my eyes for a moment and breathed deeply. It felt like all my stress slowly disappeared. There were also daisies, tiny white flowers with yellow centers. They looked simple and innocent. And next to them were tulips in so many colors: red, yellow, purple, orange. Tulips look soft and smooth, almost like they are painted by hand. While walking through the garden, I noticed something funny. Everyone moved slowly. Nobody was rushing. It felt like the garden told them to slow down. Even children were speaking quietly. The whole place felt peaceful. At one corner, I saw a small wooden bench. A bench is a long seat for 2 or 3 people. I sat down for a moment. From that spot, I could see almost the entire garden. Flowers in perfect rows, butterflies dancing, birds singing softly. It felt like the world had paused just for me. While sitting there, I thought about how busy life can be. We run, we hurry, we stress, we worry. But in that garden, nothing felt urgent. Everything felt slow and simple. Flowers don't rush to bloom. They take their time. They grow slowly. They open when they're ready. Maybe we should also do that sometimes. After resting for a while, I continued walking. I reached a small bridge made of wood. Under the bridge was a tiny stream. A stream is a small, moving line of water. The sound of the water was soft and relaxing. I leaned on the bridge rail and watched the water move around little rocks. It looked clean and clear. On the other side of the garden, I found a group of cherry blossom trees. They had light pink petals falling slowly with the wind. It looked like pink snow. I reached out my hand and a small petal landed on my palm. It felt soft and delicate. Delicate means very light and easy to break. Before leaving, I took one last slow walk around the garden. I didn't want to rush. I wanted to remember everything. The colors, the smells, the quiet feeling. It was amazing how something so simple could change my whole mood. When I walked out of the garden, I felt different, lighter, calmer, happier. It reminded me that sometimes we don't need big, exciting things to feel good. Sometimes just walking among flowers is enough. And that was my first experience visiting a flower garden. I hope this story helped you learn some new words like bloom, breeze, scent, delicate, pond, stream, and calm, naturally through the story.